Alright, this video comes from section 7, topic 1, and we're going to be talking about geometric sequences. Alright, there's two different ways to find them. You can either use a recursive formula or explicit formula. Recursive formula is a little bit more tedious and probably shouldn't be used for finding anything over like a fifth term, alright, or 5 times out. So let's go over and talk about what A1 means. Alright, so you see A1 right here, and what that stands for is your starting point. Alright, it's the first term. So in this case, an art gallery was showcasing a 6-inch long photo. Alright, so that started out at 6 inches. It was enlarged 10 times, each by 125% of the previous picture. So our A1 is 6 inches. Alright, and it asks us to write a recursive formula and an explicit formula. You see this AN here. Alright, AN just stands for the number of term that you're looking for. Alright, so term looking for. Alright, so in this case, we're looking for the 10th term. Alright, so we can change this to A10 and A10. Alright, so our recursive formula, alright, what we would do is we would take whatever the previous term was and multiply it by 1.25. That's the same as 125%. As a decimal, that's 1.25. So you're going to take whatever the previous was. So for our first one, it would be 6 times 1.25. Alright, you would find out what that is, and that would be your A2. Alright, and to find A3, you would take whatever that is and multiply it by 1.25 and do that all the way until you get to A10. Alright, you can see that that could be kind of tedious, a lot of multiplication, so you could use the explicit formula in order to find this. Alright, so what you're going to do for explicit formula is you are going to take your first term and multiply it by 1.25 raised to the power of 1 less than the term you're looking for. So in this case, we would take 6, we would multiply it by 1.25 to the 9th power. Since we were looking for the 10th term, 10 minus 1 is 9. Alright, so that is how you write recursive and explicit formulas for geometric sequences. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and also post your name in the comments so I can give you credit for watching the video.